Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Want a flat stomach but don't want to hit the gym every day or follow strict diets? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share 2 simple natural remedies you can use at home to burn belly fat faster. These remedies are easy, affordable. I will also share some tips and good habits, so stick around this video. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly understand why belly fat happens. Belly fat is not just about looks. It's actually a type of a fat called visceral fat, and it surrounds your internal organs. Too much of it can lead to serious health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and even hormone imbalances. Some common reasons for belly fat include eating too much, too many sugary or fried foods, sitting too much and not moving around, poor sleep and stress, hormonal changes, especially in women, slower metabolism as we age. The good news is you don't need a fancy gym membership or to start burning it. A few natural tricks and lifestyle changes can do wonders. Let's talk about the remedy. The first remedy is something you already have in your kitchen, like Zira water or cumin water. Zira or cumin is a simple spice used in many kitchens, but it's secret fat burner too. It helps improve digestion, cuts down bloating, and boosts your metabolism. How to prepare Zira water? Let's see. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, soak them overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, boil this water for 5 minutes, strain it and drink it warm on an empty stomach. Do this daily for at least 15 to 20 days and you will notice a flatter tummy and better digestion. Why it works? Cumin helps your body absorb nutrients better. It also fights fat storing hormones and helps your liver to burn more fat naturally. Now get ready to have some tips. Here I am sharing some tips. Don't add sugar. You can add a few drops of lemon if you like. For best results, eat light, avoid fried food, and move a little daily. Even walking 15-20 minutes a day with this drink can bring quick results. Ready for a second remedy? It's a powerful drink made from ginger and lemon, 2 natural belly fat busters. Ginger heats up your body and boosts fat burning, while lemon detoxifies and cuts fat storage. Take 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peel it and slice it. Boil it in 2 cups of water for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the flame and add juice of half of lemon. Sip it warm once or twice a day, ideally after meals. If you have any side effects from ginger or from lemon, so please avoid it. Why it works? This drink helps to speed up digestion, cut down sugar cravings, burn stored belly fat, boost metabolism naturally. Here I am going to give you a bonus tip. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a few mint leaves for extra flavor and benefits. Drink this for 2 weeks straight and you'll notice your stomach getting flatter and your body feeling lighter. Now that you know the two simple remedies, let's talk about a few daily habits to make them work faster. Number 1. Drink more water. At least 7 to 8 glasses a day helps flush out fat and toxins. Number 2. Cut sugar and white carbs like bread, pastries, soda. These add fat to your belly fat. Number 3. Sleep well. 7 to 8 hours of sleep helps balance the hormones that store belly fat. Number 4. Move your body. A simple 20-minute walk, yoga, enough to boost. Number 5. Fat loss. Manage stress. Stress increases a hormone called cortisol that stores fat around your body, around your belly. Try deep breathing or meditation. Remember, these are simple steps, not strict rules. Start slowly and stay consistent. Here we talk about what not to do. Many people make mistakes when trying to lose belly fat. Here is what not to do. Don't skip meals. It slows your metabolism and makes you gain more fat. Don't follow extreme crash diets. You will lose water, not fat. Don't overeat. Diet, snacks, most are full of hidden sugar. Don't stay hungry. Eat smart, not less. Your body needs real food and a little patience. Belly fat doesn't disappear overnight, but with the right methods, it will go. The secret is not speed, it's consistency. If you follow this routine daily, you will notice visible results in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below and tell me which remedy you will try first, Zira water or ginger lemon drink. Remember, your flat belly journey begins today. Stay healthy, stay confident.